The candle makers don't want you to discover this. I don't buy them on the market anymore. To start today's advice, I will add 5 common candles in a pot. I'm going to turn it on over low heat until the candles are completely melted. Today's recipe with the candle we are making is very easy, economical, and quick to make at home. I'm sure everyone will love the result. As soon as I get to this point, I will remove the wicks from the candles. Once they have completely melted, I will turn off the fire and let it cool for a minute. Now I will remove the liquid from the fire, and then I will put it in some containers where we will mount our new scented candles. Let me know below the country from where you see us to send you a special greeting. Today's greeting is for Elizabeth Ruiz from Panama. Thank you very much for watching our videos. Once you have put all the melted candle in the containers, I will add cloves in the first container. You can add the amount of your choice. Another ingredient that I will add are some cinnamon sticks. And I'm also going to add dye. I'm using the red color for this. As soon as you add, we just have to mix well. This candle can be prepared in various containers and also with various aromas. So you can have a different smell in each room of your house. In the second container, I will use a teaspoon of essential oil, which is the main element in aromatic candles. I'm also going to use green dye. The ideal thing now is to mix well until the scented oil sticks to the candle. For the last container, I'm going to add odor deodorant. And then I'll add dye to it and mix it well. In this way, our candles are ready. And only with these ingredients you can prepare these scented candles in your home. Next, I will add the wicks of the candle that we had reserved previously. I'm also going to mix well. Next, I will add the wicks of the candle that we had reserved previously. For this, I am using tweezers to hang clothes as a support for the wick. Once this is done, we will reserve until the liquid has hardened. This will undoubtedly be the best scented candle to prepare in your house. Every time you use it, it will bring a rich aroma to your home. You can place them in all the rooms of your house. I myself use it in the room, the living room, and the bathroom. These have a minimum duration of 1 month, and their smell remains even after turning them off. I am sure that your visitors will be impressed with the aroma of your home. If you have come this far, leave me the word candles for my home so that I know you saw the video until the end.
Hasta el final.